Hi YouTube family, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and I'm here in Lowell, Mass at a folk festival. The folk festival will be this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I think today's date is the 25th, I'm not sure, I lost track. Okay, I'll find out and I'll repeat it again. So I wanted to give you some of the activities and music. You know how we do, okay? So I hope you enjoy this, okay? So stay tuned, they're setting up, and then we're gonna get started soon. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm getting back to you with today's date. Today's date of the folk festival is starting Friday, July 26th, 27th, and 28th. Okay? Alright, if you can get a chance, come on down. It's the Lowell Folk Festival in Lowell, Mass. It's right off of Merrimack Street. Merrimack is a main street. Okay? Alright, I hope to see you here. Bye. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the crowd. They're coming in now. The show hasn't started yet, but as you can see, people are gathering. Yes. And they have vendors out on the street selling every kind of ethnic food possible. Wonderful. Okay, setting up the stage still. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you some of the vendors. Okay, so we have here Middle East food. Over here we have Greek food. I'll bring you closer. Greek food. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down to some more. Hold on. Okay guys, here's so they got some food on the grill. They got shish kebabs, chicken. Wow, look at this. And look at this, guys. This is the Lowell Folk Festival. Oh, you should come on down. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay. Look at all the people just walking. And this is contains 4 streets over full of food, music, and just about 5 stages set up for different types of music. And what they do is that when one band play or music group play, they move to the next stage. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. Okay. Okay, I'm at the Jamaican Indian food. Let me see if I can get an interview. Okay, how are you, ma'am?
I'm well, thank you.
Good. I have a YouTube channel called Grandma Ray Don't Play. So if you could tell the Lowell community and anybody that's coming down, what kind of food you serving today?
So I have served for the past 33 years. This is my 33rd year here.
Wow.
I serve Jamaican meat patties because that's my heritage.
Okay.
And Indian samosas because I was married to my husband who was from India. Yes, he passed away 6 years ago.
I'm sorry to hear that. So he left you with all the secrets though?
Yes, he did.
All right. And what else you got here today?
So I have homemade pineapple coconut cookies and Jamaican ginger cookies. And tomorrow I will have Jamaican rum cake.
Oh my goodness. I'll have to come back for the rum cake. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you, and I hope you do really well this year.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
But the real meaning of the folk festival is meeting all the people.
Like me?
That's right.
Okay, so let me introduce myself properly. I'm Grandma Ray Don't Play. My name is Rachel, and that's my YouTube channel.
That's wonderful. That was my grandmother's name.
Really? Oh, that's a wonderful name, isn't it?
It is.
Biblical. I love it.
We called her Grandma Rach.
Oh, I never heard that one before. That's cool. Okay, thank you.
I'll watch your channel.
Thank you very much.
I will watch your channel.
Thank you.
Okay. Grandma.
Okay, guys, we have a Hispanic booth here with food, all types of Hispanic food. All right, 1 second. Okay, guys, we have a parade coming from Boston. You hear them? Oh, you're in for a treat.